In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI feature to craft your own designs effortlessly. Whether you're looking to create a presentation, a website, a document, or a whiteboard project, Canva's AI can be an incredibly useful tool for facilitating the design process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Canva homepage on your device. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll spot an option labeled Canva AI. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is designed to help you enhance your projects by making the initial stage of design much smoother and less time-consuming. Now, once you've accessed Canva AI, the next step is to select Code for Me. As you scroll down, you will notice a variety of different uses for this AI tool. It really expands the potential and functionalities available to you, so feel free to explore these options if you're curious about what more this tool can offer. Next up, you'll find a search bar where you can type in your unique prompt. This is where you input the details or ideas you have, perhaps a theme, or a particular style you're going for. Once you've entered your prompt, click Submit. Upon doing so, the AI will begin generating your design concept. This process is quick, and before you know it, you will see the AI has created one version based on your input. If you're aiming to make this project more functional, your next move should be to go to the top right part of your screen again and click Use in a Design. Here, you're given a menu of options to convert your AI-generated information into different formats. Depending on your needs, you can choose to convert it into a website, presentation, document, or whiteboard form. It really helps tailor the information to the specific format you're working towards. Additionally, if you want to simplify things even further, you can make use of pre-existing prompts available within Canva. Just scroll through and click on one that fits what you are aiming to accomplish. Once you select one, click Submit, and the AI will generate your desired prompt. This shortcut can be incredibly helpful if you're in a hurry or need a little inspiration to get started. Lastly, with your prompt generated and ready, you can choose which specific pieces of information you want to convert into your desired format. This allows you to customize the final output, ensuring that the format perfectly aligns with your initial vision. And there you have it. With Canva AI, you'll find the design process much more manageable and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this tool can streamline your workflow and help bring your creative visions to life. Happy designing!